Hey everyone, my name is Riley and this video is a 10-minute crash course on everything that you need to know in HubSpot. We will be covering how to set up your HubSpot account, how you can customize the dashboards in the most effective way. We will also be covering how you can create, edit and delete contacts, how you can take all of your conversation channels such as Facebook Messenger, email and WhatsApp and combine them all into HubSpot, how you can run ads through HubSpot and much more. So if you are brand new to HubSpot and you want to learn how this works, then keep watching and let's dive right in. Okay, so if you clicked on that link down in the description, you will be taken over to this screen right here where you can go ahead and get your HubSpot free trial. So all we need to do is click on this button right here to get started for free. And then it's going to ask what industry is your company in. This doesn't matter, this is going to ask you a few questions here. We can just click anything. Honestly, we don't really care about this, and the faster we can get through this, the better. Once you have answered all of those questions, it will take us through to this screen where we can actually go ahead and sign up with our email. Now you have a few options here. You can either sign up with Gmail, Microsoft, or your email right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and sign up with Google. It should then ask you what your company name is. If you don't have a company name yet, just go ahead and enter your name and then click on next. It will then ask for your company website, so just go ahead and enter that in, and then we can click on next. From here, it will then ask where do you want your data to be hosted. Just choose the data location that is nearest you, as that will make HubSpot faster. If you are in the US or Canada, go US. If you are in Europe or the UK, go with EU. Just like that, we now have your HubSpot account. It will then take us through this tutorial, ask us to choose a template. Just go ahead and click Setup Manually, skip all of this, we do not need this, and we are then taken through to this area. Right here, you can absolutely run through this tutorial. It's going to help you get everything set up, but I'm just going to explain how everything in HubSpot works, so I will turn off this user guide. Once you have done all of that, and we now have your HubSpot account created and set up, we can now go ahead and first of all, create a dashboard. So right at the top here, we can create a dashboard from scratch. So just go ahead and do this, and let's call this G-Force North. Once we are on this dashboard, you can see that right now, this dashboard is going to be completely blank. So we need to go ahead and add some reports to this. To do this, just go ahead and click on Add Report, and then we can create report. And from here, this is going to show us all of the reports that we can have in the main HubSpot dashboard. So in this example, I'm just going to go ahead and select recent activity of created contacts. Let's go ahead and add this. And I'm going to go ahead and just add a few more of these reports and then show you how this looks. So I just went ahead and added 3 different reports to this dashboard. You can fully customize this and add whatever reports you want. However, this is going to show up these reports in the reports dashboard of HubSpot to allow us to have a very easy overview of HubSpot as soon as we load it. So this is the dashboard screen right here. Now, the next thing we are going to be covering is contacts. So right here, if I click into contacts, we can see all of the contacts that we have on HubSpot. So right now I have 2 contacts and they are going to show up right here. We can see the name of the contact, we can see the email, the phone number, the contact owner, the primary company they are with. So for example, Maria is with Google, and the last activity of this contact. Now, if we click into these contacts, for example, this is going to take us over to the main contact dashboard where we can see a lot more detail about this contact. So over here, we have this dashboard where we can create a note. So I can click into create a note and say, Maria is likely to buy, call her tomorrow. And then of course, Maria will not be able to see this note, but my team will inside of this dashboard. We can also email her directly from HubSpot by clicking here. We can call her, create a task, schedule a meeting, and then add this more button to do a few other things. Down here, we can see more information about this contact, such as the email. We can add a phone number. We can set specific owners to this contact, set the life cycle stage, and everything like this. In the middle here, this is where we are going to get the bulk of the data, see the companies that they work for, any deals that we are currently working on with this specific contact. So right now, it looks like this contact is interested in this mentorship package for $10,000. We can also see any tickets. So this is more for customer service, any orders that they have placed. Now, scrolling up, we can also go over to the activities section and see any activities that this contact has been involved in. So as you can see, a task was assigned, and this was on the 26th, prepare quote for Maria Johnson. And as soon as this task is done, your team can come in here and just check this off. Looks like this won't work as this is a sample contact, but you get the idea. We can also view the notes, so we can see the note that I just added. We can see any emails, any calls that have been sent. So this is just a note from the call. We can also select a call outcome, select the duration, see any tasks, and see any scheduled meetings. Going back, we can also create contact by using this button up here. We can open this up and then just create the contact, enter in an email, enter in a name. So let's go for James Gary, and then create this. And as you can see, this lead has been created. We are taken into this dashboard where we can go ahead and customize this further. You can also import contacts rather than creating them one by one by clicking on import. Then we can go to connect an app, and you can connect your contacts from either MailChimp, Airtable, all of these different software right here. They integrate with HubSpot, and you can import your contacts from any of these options right here. In the conversation section, we can go ahead and connect up from all of these different conversation channels. So you can connect your email, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, even forms, and have them all in one place. So instead of using all of these different channels, you can have everything in one place. All of your messages from Facebook, WhatsApp, your email are going to show up right here. And instead of using all of those different channels, flicking between them throughout the day, you can see them all in here, reply straight from HubSpot, and everything like that. In marketing, we can also go ahead and connect up your ad accounts. And this is effectively going to allow you to see all of your different ad accounts in one place. You can even create Facebook and Instagram ads directly in HubSpot right here. And then you can see all of your different ad performances down here, the impressions, clicks, how much each click costs, turn ads on and off, and see all of these statistics in here rather than using the different ad managers. You can also use HubSpot to send out different emails. For example, this is an email that I created earlier. You can actually go ahead and edit the emails inside of HubSpot by using this drag and drop tool, and you can actually send them to your email list and your contacts that you have inside of HubSpot using this email marketing maker. The final major thing that I want to show you on HubSpot is this sales area. Inside of sales, we have this deal pipeline right here where you can create different deals. Let's create one right here, just called test, and price this at $20,000. You can see that this is now going to be created, and then you can literally track your deals and drag them across these different areas to see exactly where each deal is in the pipeline using this Kanban chart. And we also have an overview of this at the top. So that is my 10-minute crash course on HubSpot. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to smash that like button and tap that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy.